Hello, students. I hope that my voice is audible. I have your chat box in front of me, so please do confirm if my voice is audible to all of you or not, and is the screen, the video clear or not. Please use the chat box. Using the chat box, please confirm me if my voice is audible, clear, loud, and the screen is visible or not. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. I have just received the confirmation message that the screen is visible and the voice is audible. So, I welcome all of you to the Advanced Financial Management, the ACCA Advanced Financial Management exam papers orientation session. And we all know that this paper was previously and today as well is known as the P4 exam paper and is an optional exam paper. We are here to have an orientation session for the December 2021 attempt. My name is Taha Popatia, and I have shared my experience and qualifications, the professional qualifications, ACCA obviously, and other relevant details with all of you on the groups. So today we are here just to gel up and just to begin our sessions for the December 2021. Now, when we talk about the advanced financial management, it is one of the optional exam papers that a student has to opt in his or her ACCA journey. ACCA's Advanced Financial Management paper is an advanced version of the F9, the financial management exam that most of you have studied already. Before I proceed further, I would want to know how many of the students who are online have already registered or enrolled with me at wifi.com and are part of the registered students group. Do we have students over here who have already registered and are part of the registered students group? Can I receive messages? I have the chat box in front of me. Okay, so I have a few messages, I believe. Okay, now I will break today's session. In some parts. Firstly, as it is an orientation session, I will myself discuss a few things about the advanced financial management exam paper. This is the first part. Then the second part of the session will be a brief talk with the enrolled or already registered students guiding them what they have to do and what steps do they have to take and how we will go through the course. And lastly, we will have a brief question and answer or a Q&A session. Now, discussing advanced financial management or the AFM exam, you all must know that AFM or the advanced financial management exam is one of the exam papers which is an optional exam paper. Some of you might not have decided yet which optional paper they want to opt or they must opt. So, we have 4 papers: AFM, APM, ATX and AAA. And this AFM paper is one of the exam papers that most of the majority of the candidates pick up. The other two being ATX and AAA. Now, if we talk about the contents of this specific paper, the contents are what you already have studied in your financial management or the F9 exam, but at a higher level. For example, in your financial management exam, the FM exam, the F9 exam, for example, let's say you used to have some questions about business valuation. All right. You were taught some methods in which you were supposed to value a current company or its shares. Now, over here, when we talk about advanced financial management exam, we can say that this business valuation, which was part of financial management, was something at a micro level. In advanced financial management, you use these valuation methods for mergers and acquisitions. So this was one fair example of how the contents are molded so that things are asked at a macro level. Alright. Likewise, you studied net present value or the internal rate of return techniques in your financial management exam. And over here, you use those techniques with some more techniques, and you have questions which have more practical knowledge being applied into them. So technically speaking, when we talk about the AFM paper, this is more based on practical life and it teaches us application, okay? It teaches us application. How do you apply the models? Okay, let me check the... Okay, Tharina, we will have a question and answer session really soon. I will not drag the orientation session. After a few, probably 5 minutes or 7 to 8 minutes, we will have a question and answer session in which I will constantly be looking at the chat box. So coming back, this is one of the examples how we look the advanced financial management exam paper. Now, discussing the second thing, which is the format of the exam paper. I hope that you all are aware about the exam paper format. In your exam paper, you will have question number 1, which is mandatory, which is compulsory, which you have to attempt, and this is of around 50 marks. And then we have questions 2 and question 3 of 25 marks each. So this specifically means that the exam paper, alright, let's hold for a minute. Okay, so this is your exam format. You have to attempt one question of 50 marks, and then there are question number 2 and 3 of 25 marks each. Now do remember that any topic from the syllabus can be part of the 50 marks question, and any topic from the syllabus can be part of the questions of 25 marks each, which means question number 2 and 3. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have good grip over the entire syllabus. You must make sure that all the topics are covered and there is nothing left behind. I repeat, do all topics. Do all topics. Okay? But obviously, in every exam paper, there are some areas that are tested more frequently than the other areas. Okay? So we have to do all the topics. There are various topics which are part of the syllabus, which I will not be listing down over here. But yes, obviously, there are some hot topics. Alright? There are some hot topics. Now, when I talk about hot topics, there is a topic which is testing mergers and acquisitions and corporate reconstruction. This is tested quite frequently. Then we have Forex and the interest rate hedging. This is tested very frequently. Then we have adjusted present value technique, which is tested frequently, alright, and dividend policy. Now, do remember that as I mentioned, you have to do all the topics. But these are some topics which are tested quite frequently. And I have made a past papers analysis, and that past paper analysis is available for all my registered students, where I have shared which topic is tested, how many times and in which attempt. Anyways, so one thing we know is that we have to do all topics, but obviously I will let you know some topics which are tested more frequently than the others, over which you will give some extra or put some extra efforts. Then, key to pass. You have the pre-recorded sessions on the portal already. You have the pre-recorded sessions which contains all the concepts. Okay, my pre-recorded sessions at wifi.com have entire concepts covered in them. So how do we proceed is that, number one, you cover the concepts in pre-recorded form and then do the past papers. Now, there are a lot of past papers already available on the portal that I have solved, as I have been teaching this subject for quite a long time by now. So we have a lot of past papers solved and available on the portal, but apart from the pre-recorded sessions, we will have live sessions every week. Once in a week, every Monday, to discuss the past papers as well. Now, over here, I will wish to emphasize that there are always some students who do not follow teacher's instruction, and that is quite alarming. Every time, if we have, for example, 100 students, there are 30 to 40 students who are following the teacher's instructions. But there are some students who do not follow the teacher's instruction at all. Now today, I will want to emphasize that please do follow my instructions. I have been teaching this subject for a long time, and hence I know how we have to proceed with these sessions. And on our WhatsApp group for registered students, I will let you know what years you have to do. Preferably, you must do 2018 to 2021 past papers. Alright? As a teacher, I have been solving the past papers between these years in my live sessions, in my pre-recorded sessions. So if you ask queries from these sessions, mostly I have to answer them, I can answer them spontaneously. And if you move with the class, for example, if we set some target on our WhatsApp group for the next session, and you are following that target, it will be easy for me to teach. It will be easy for me to respond to your queries spontaneously, and it will be easy for you as you will feel that there is someone who is always available to respond to us spontaneously. But I have seen in past batches that there are some students who tend to do 2010 and 2007 and 2006 and 2013 past papers, and then they pick Kaplan, and then they pick BPP, and then they throw queries. Obviously, I cannot answer someone without proper research, and hence the response to their queries gets delayed and they stuck up somewhere. So for example, if entire class is doing 2018, let's say question number 1, I recommend you, I emphasize, please follow my instructions. By the end of the session, I will make sure that you have covered all the concepts and we are always on the same page. This will help you, this will help me, this will help us achieve our objective, which is that you clear your exam. Okay? So, my target is generally that we do recent past papers, probably 8 to 12 attempts, and that's more than enough. If you pick the most recent past paper, and if you compare that from past 10 attempts, you will see that the recent past paper had many concepts, or 90% of the concepts which is same as tested in the most recent 8 to 10 attempts. So doing the same question again and again is much better rather than doing hundreds of different questions and confusing yourself and not clarifying your queries. So again, when you are on the registered students WhatsApp group, I will let you know, I will give you a planner, or every week on Monday after the live session, we will decide where we have to proceed and what we have to do. Okay? So this is one thing that I wanted to emphasize. Now, moving to the second part of our session, and this is to address the registered students. Alright? I was waiting for this orientation day, and you all must have observed I have not been really active over the WhatsApp group for registered students, although we have many students. First thing, if you are a registered student and online, or if you watch this session in pre-recorded form, do WhatsApp me with your complete name. And when I say complete name, it means complete name. Please do not write your first name only, because I have been teaching various students at various institutions and it is very difficult for me to identify you. Also write AFM D21 Wi-Fi registered. This will easily make me recognize that you are from Wi-Fi attempting the AFM exam for December 21. I will be saving your number, and for registered students I make labels. Although you have a WhatsApp group, but I will make labels through which I will be sending you Excel sheets and voice notes for or as summary for various parts of the syllabus which are tested in your exams. Okay. So this was one announcement, one brief announcement for the registered students, and apart from that I will be active over the group from today onwards to address your queries and to plan, and I hope that you all have obtained the access. The first thing that you have to do is to cover as many conceptual videos as possible, as early, as soon as possible. For next week, when we will have a Monday 9 to 10 p.m. session, I will give you a target over the group in a day or a two, which you will have to complete by the coming Monday. Now finally, third part of the session, which is the question and answer session. So now after a minute, I will be looking at the chat box. Before that, as we have many students present in the session, what I want all of you to do is that you note down my WhatsApp number, which is +92 345 3086 312. Alright, +92 345 3086 312. I want all of you to note down this number. Alright, if you wish to ask me anything after the session, obviously I am not available every time and I prefer replying to the registered students, but yes, you may WhatsApp me, and if I get time I will surely try to respond to you. And yes, we have some groups and some material for students who do not register, so I will help you in that way as well. Apart from that, I have the admin contact, which is +92 332 3378 435. Alright, I repeat, +92 332 3378 435. Now, any of you interested and is not enrolled in our sessions yet can contact on this WhatsApp number. Alright, this is for admissions, this is for enrollments, and yes, you must join the batch within next couple of days so that it is easy for me and you to manage this December 2021 attempt and make sure that you successfully complete it. And this is my name, my number. My name is Taha Popatia. Alright, I will be addressing all my registered students over the WhatsApp group as well. Now it is time for the question and answer session, and for the next probably 10 to 20 minutes, I will be responding to all the questions that are available on the chat box. So let me look. Okay, Piyush has a question. If we enroll for December and if we are not able to give exam in December, so can we attend the lectures again for March session? Okay. Generally, at Wi-Fi, if some student enrolls for a particular session, at wifi.com, let me write the website name as well. And God forbid, if there are no exams, cancellations due to COVID or any other reason, we extend the access, but yes, we charge a top-up fee. Alright, we do not charge complete course fee again, but yes, there is an amount for a top-up fee, and for the amount, the exact details of the amount, you can contact the admission person. Also, last time we were offering December and September batches together. So this time again, probably we are offering the December and the March batches again. You can write to the admin and they will respond as soon as possible. Obviously, it will take a day because there are a large number of queries flowing to us which we have to respond. Okay, moving to the next question that we have. Okay, the second question is from Terena. Evening sir, I'm not sure which optional exam to choose after sitting for SBL September 21. Also, I am working full time and with only 10 weeks left for December 21 sitting. Will it be best to rather sit March 2022 attempt? Then, can I already enroll when I will only be sitting for March 20? Will the classes continue? Then through, okay. As I just mentioned that when we were offering the September batch, we simultaneously launched the December batches as well. So this is something which you can ask to the admin, and obviously like the last time, we will be offering this batch as well. More details can be shared by the admin or the management. Alright, any other question from anyone? Anyone? Okay. Sir, no link was sent to AFM December 21 group. Alright. Hello, are you a registered or an enrolled student? For enrolled student, the link is available on the portal, I expect. Okay. The link is available on the portal, I expect. But yes, I have, I believe I will highlight. You can WhatsApp me, you can message me your concern. I will raise the concern to the relevant moderators and the admin. Okay. If this was the case, I will surely do that. And yes, if you have missed the starting session, you will have the recorded version as well. Jahangir Salam sir, is it possible to cover the complete syllabus before 21 as only 10 weeks are left? Jahangir, if we talk about the advanced financial management syllabus, alright, syllabus or the contents, trust me, the contents are not very much, okay? There is less content. Everyone, carefully listen to me. The contents are comparatively less if you compare it from ATX or AAA or APM, but it demands a lot of practice, okay? It demands a lot of practice. For example, if you talk about a concept from adjusted present value, it will hardly take you 2 or 3 hours to understand the concept from the videos on the portal. But you will have to exercise 3 or 4 different past papers, without which you cannot adopt the examination pattern or style. So if you can manage to study on Sundays, if you are a working individual, I do not know whether you are working or not. Jahangir, are you a working individual or a full-time student? If you are a working student and can devote Sundays and 1 to 1.5 hours on daily basis, it is easily doable course. And if you have studied F9 or financial management recently, it is a top up making your things much more easier as well. Yes, okay, Jahangir, you are a working student. So as I said, if you can give some time on Sundays and some leaves in the end, yes, it is easily doable. We are at the start, but yes, you will have to take this step today. Okay, anyone else with any queries? I want to address as many queries as soon as possible. This was a brief introductory or an orientation session and a question and answer session with anyone interested in opting for AFM for December 21. So can I get the demo class for some concept? Yes, sure. Demos are available. Demos are available on the website. Demos can be asked through the admission office. Also, we have some demo lectures available on our YouTube channel. Okay. Now, when we talk about the course, the registered or the enrolled students course or the portal, when we are delivering concepts, we use the learning glass technology. Okay, we use this screen which is visible to you and in which you see a teacher delivering the concepts and it is easy to grasp the concepts. But when we are solving past papers, we use the traditional OneNote screen. So if you watch YouTube lectures or the YouTube demo lectures, you may find both contents. So I wanted to clarify that when you enroll, you get the conceptual videos covered over the Learning Glass technology and the past papers are covered on OneNote. Okay. Okay, sir, how many classes we must have to take every week and what is the duration of each class? Okay, Jahangir, there are around 75 hours. There are around 75 hours pre-recorded sessions on our portal. When you purchase the course, you get access to the pre-recorded content, all right, and it is set date wise. It keeps on unlocking. For example, at the moment around 15 to 20 hours recordings are mostly unlocked, and it is around 75 hours content which is available on the portal. Apart from that, every Monday, today was orientation, but from now onwards, every Monday, we have a query solving session 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. or a session in which we discuss problems, queries, do some past paper practice and so on and so forth. Then we also have a mock exam. We have a WhatsApp group for registered students. All right. We have some webinar sessions. All right. Then I have a teacher's assistant, a TA, who takes mocks or tests, you can say, and mark those tests for all of you as well. So this is what a complete package includes: pre-recorded sessions, live sessions, mock, WhatsApp group, webinars and tests. Okay. Next question, what we have, sir, can you tell about the fees? Piyush, the original fee is $200, but obviously we are offering early bird discounts which will be ending really soon. For the exact amount of fee, you can contact our admin and they will respond about the fee, obviously. Okay, this will be much lower than $200 at the moment. Will every week classes be at the same time? Yes, Hele, they will be same time, and then the recorded versions will be uploaded on the portal. So God forbid if someday if you miss out on the class, there is no problem as such. Class on Saturday, please, some of us are working. Merity, upon you can request to the management, and upon your request we may consider, but since we have to entertain all the subjects, a day is allocated to every subject, and generally the classes are conducted keeping in mind that most of the students are working individuals, so it is at late nights. Okay, obviously at times it becomes difficult for an individual student, because you know that we have students from 86 different countries with us. So obviously it is really difficult for us to entertain every individual, but in that case you get the recorded version and then the teacher is available to respond to your problems as well. So as such you do not face any significant difficulties. Okay, you have answered my query about timings. Sir, when is the course end date? 1st November. By 1st November, you receive entire contents, the course ends, and then we have revision sessions and webinars and game changer series. That is a separate thing. But initially, the course is completed by 1st November for the December batch. Sir, as you have said that financial management is also covered in this AFM course. I cleared my FM in March 21 and forgot some of the concepts. Will you cover in AFM? Yes, some basic concepts are covered in our AFM course as well. And do not worry at all if you have forgot most of the concept of financial management, because most of our students are working individuals who give 1 or 2 papers in a year, or they have given financial management longer back. Trust me, if you just have an understanding of what that was, you will do well over here. And even in our course, we have also included some content of financial management as much as was needed. Not overdoing, not underdoing, but doing what is required. Okay. Then we have, sir, your voice is breaking. Amar, can you please check the voice? It is not audible. Amar, can you check the voice? Guys, give me a couple of minutes. Amar is checking the voice. Amar, is voice okay? Okay, are you all able to hear me now? Is my voice clear now? Okay, thank you. We have Amar who assists us in all these operations. So you all must thank him as well. He just checked and now I hope that there is no break. Okay. Okay, now next question. Anything else? Anything else you guys want to know? Anything else with which I can help you all out when you start the webinars? Webinars are conducted in the last month. The planner and the schedule are available on our Facebook page. So you will get to know over the WhatsApp groups or the Facebook pages. For WhatsApp group, I have mentioned my number as well. You can WhatsApp me and get added into the public group for advanced financial management. Can the videos be open to full access immediately we register? Melody, actually, we drain the lectures, but trust me that around 20 to 25% or 30% course has already been unlocked. Okay, the rest of the course will be visible to you and it will keep on unlocking every week. Why do we do that? Is because we want all the students to watch each and every lecture on time. We also have a tracker. Which my teacher's assistant maintains, which lets us know which student has watched XYZ video, if he has watched, if he has not watched, or if he has watched partially. We do not flood all the videos together because in that case students tend to take it for granted and they just watch it in a high speed and then they tend to forget what was discussed in the previous session. So we do not have a policy for that. But yes, if you are worried in some sense, please do contact me. I assure you, I have been associated with wifi.com since probably its inception, and there is nothing as such to be worried about. The course content have been labeled and made available to students after a careful research and a thought process. Same concern can be called. Okay, Naeem, I hope that I have answered you. Also, trust me, you will never ever have any day when you do not have something available to watch or discuss with me. So I will be there to entertain you all the time. Sir, which study text should we go for? I am a full-time student and always go through study text once at least. Alright, Arij, good question. Now, talking about myself, the person in front of you, I am Pakistan's top ACCA affiliate. I had nationwide position in the P5 exam. which is APM. I had a nationwide position in the P2 exam, which is now SBR. I had a nationwide position in P1, which is now SBL. I was given certificate of achievement in F3 for securing 96%. I was given certificate of achievement for securing 100% marks in F2 exam. I have also done professional accounting affiliate from Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan, for which I was awarded nationwide position for the QM exam, and so on and so forth. The list goes on. So, Arij, I agree with you. As a full-time student, and in last few papers, I used to work in one of the big four firms, which is EY, and it is famous all over the world. So, I agree with you. I used to read the study text as well, and without that, I was never ever confident. Alright. So, if you want to read, if you want to, alright, there is a need and there is a want. So, if you want to read the study text, I will recommend BPP. Otherwise, guys, I request please turn off your cameras. Okay. Arij, if you wish to read the study text, I will recommend BPP. Otherwise, I have made a secret sauce for AFM, which is a 67 pages booklet and which covers most of the theory areas which are tested in the exams, and then I have summary notes as well. Apart from that, I will let you know some strategies how I achieve these positions so frequently. Okay. Okay, then Arij, have I answered your query? I believe I have. Okay. Will there be weekly assignments which are reviewed? No, not weekly, but every 15 days. We have 5 assignments planned, okay, then a mock, and the teacher's assistant will be doing that. Then we have a query, could you please give us a plan on how to study? So like how many hours should we watch each week of the recordings? Abdul Kareem, a document named a planner has already been uploaded on the portal. I will ask Wajahat to share it in PDF form on the WhatsApp group as well. You simply follow the planner and you will be able to complete all the lectures on time. Okay. Amar, there is some issue. Students can't hear me. Okay. I am absolutely sorry for this. I hope that the voice is audible now. Is it audible? Hello? After every 5 to 6, Amar, please, can you check what is wrong, or it is fine now? It is working. Okay, students, can't hear a word about the study plan question. Okay, let me repeat. It's fine now. Okay, let me repeat. Jahangir was asking about the study plan, so I replied to him that Wajahat will share the study plan. It is already uploaded on the portal, and Wajahat will share the study plan on the WhatsApp group of registered students once again as well. You just simply follow the plan and then complete the topics as mentioned over there. Okay, next query. Alright, we have any other queries? Do we have more queries? Okay, I have removed the start video and unmute option, so there will be no more distortions. I believe some students were opening their camera. Alright, now, do we have more queries? Hello, I hope that everyone is able to listen to me. So I hope there are no queries, correct? Please specify. Okay, we have, sir, what is the passing percentage of AFM as compared to other optional exams? Okay, Jahangir, what I will do is that I will share, obviously over here I cannot open my laptop. You can WhatsApp me and I will share the passing ratios from the ACCA website. They are available on the ACCA website for each specific paper, and I will share that document, that specific link with you on the WhatsApp. Okay, Jahangir? Great. Guys, anyone? Any other queries? Okay, so I believe that I have answered each one of you. Now, today my registered students must formally start their preparations. Civil the ethics module will help in AFM. Okay, Arij, not really, not really. That's a simple answer, I believe, not really. Okay, so thank you everyone. I believe that we must end by now, as I have answered majority of the questions which were given to me. This was a warm-up session, an opening session, an orientation session in which I interacted with all of you live to answer your concerns if there were any. Now I will be focusing my registered students and will be active over the registered students group. If you want to register, please make sure that you register as soon as possible, as early as possible. Also, this is the number to get registered. You just WhatsApp on this number, the second number. The first one is mine. And keep in mind that we have many messages flooding to us on daily basis. So at times it happens that your message misses out. So what I want you is to keep texting again. If your message misses out and you do not receive any response in 5 or 6 hours, you can message again. Do not worry, the admin will not mind. Just the thing is that they receive a lot of queries on daily basis. Okay. Jisha, I said that if you are someone who want to, okay, is the voice doing problem again? A couple of students said that they cannot hear me again. I believe, okay, it's fine now. Okay, good. So Jisha, I just said that I have my secret sauce which covers the AFM theoretical areas which are tested in exams. So even if you are not a full-time student, you can focus on secret sauce for theory. But yes, if you want to read, you can read BPP. Okay. Will this be recorded? Yes, this session is being recorded and this will be available to all the students. Okay, I hope that I have answered all the concerns, all the queries, and it is time to say goodbye to all of you. If any of you has any sort of queries after the session, please do let me know on the WhatsApp. And yes, to all the registered students, I will be active over the WhatsApp group now. And you must cover the conceptual areas, start covering the conceptual areas, follow the planner provided by Wajahat, teacher's assistant. And next week, same time, same day, which is Monday 9 to 10, I will be conducting a live session in which we will be discussing a particular past paper question or your queries, which I will let you know over the WhatsApp group. So till next time, I didn't hear about the secrecy. You can WhatsApp me, alright? You can WhatsApp me. So till next Monday, I say goodbye to all of you. Take care. Okay. And thank you, Jahangir. Thank you, Jisha. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next session. Take care.